Today, I show what Star Trek and tattooing have in common. Hey, I'm Richard from Cheyenne, and today I would like to talk about a new power unit. Any of you who moved into the world of rotary machines many years ago are familiar with this black box. It is part of the history of tattooing that Cheyenne wrote, the PU2. Most of you who have seen rotary machines become the new standard run their machine with the PU2. And even though they are cordless machines today, many of you want the feel of a cord or want to tattoo with a cherished sweetheart that needs a cord. But does this look like something that belongs in 2020s? Rather not. The answer is the all-new PU2. With the simplicity of the original PU2 in mind, the new comes with a modern user interface we are all used to, but is a premiere in our industry, a touch display. The cool thing is that you don't have to click through nested menus or on hidden buttons. One click on the voltage bar starts the machine, another one stops it. And just as easily as Chief O'Brien beamed the Enterprise crew up, you change the voltage. And so that your own finger doesn't cover the voltage value, the display value always jumps away from your finger. Like the original PU2, the all-new PU2 can connect two tattoo machines. You can switch between the two connected machines by double-clicking on the display. The set voltage remains stored for each machine when you switch. The PU2 comes with a power supply with plug types A, C, G and I included, so you can tattoo in most regions in the world without need of any adapter. But that's not all. Magnets in the bottom of the PU2 let it attach to suitable surfaces, and position sensors turn the display accordingly. Have you ever had a tattoo power supply that was more intuitive to use? We believe not. And for those of you who are used to work with the foot switch, we haven't forgot you. Of course, you can connect the Cheyenne foot switch with a new PU2. So in a nutshell, with a new PU2, you can keep it smart and simple. You get everything you need behind a modern user interface. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, push the thumbs up. If you want to see more, click to the videos or subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, shoot us an email. Thanks, bye bye.